Hey everybody, we're at the MEF Global NaaS event in Arlington, Texas, and I'm here with Nan Chen to talk about their new blueprint for NaaS, Network as a Service, that they just rolled out. So let's go for a walk.
Great.
So Nan,
Yeah.
why is MEF getting into the NaaS space?
Well, we're here for industry for growth. And Carroll Ethernet was really great example of growth by industry alignments and industry work together developing standards. If you look at the first 10 years development of any new services recently, nowhere near what Carroll Ethernet has done for the first 10 years by order of magnitude in terms of service revenues. So if you look at the NaaS has a great opportunity. But if you look at all the analysts, they don't really necessarily have a grasp, but that reflecting industry doesn't have a grasp on the definition of NaaS. It doesn't have the standards with NaaS. Their projection is not necessarily all that synchronized in the sense of reflecting the true NaaS. So what we believe is MEF, because the ability to be able to standardize and work together with the entire industry, and we've done it with Carroll Ethernet,
Yeah.
and we really think we can do it again with NaaS to really align the industry together, both from collaboration perspective, where we're building the ecosystems, but also ability to be able to define the standards. Last and not least is really simplify the delivery to the enterprise customer for buying and using experience of the network.
So in recent years, MEF has also developed all of these LSO APIs, the
Right.
Sonata APIs,
Right.
and the rest. And so how do you see that fitting into the NaaS platform?
Very good question. I think if you think about what we did was Carrier Ethernet, which is we define the services and then we define the certification of those services. That's a fundamental layer to build that $80 billion market we have today. So over the last 7 years or so, we start building automations on top of those services. How do you deliver it automatically? So those are the LSO APIs start coming in, which gave the ability have industry using LSO APIs to be able to communicate with each other. So that's really important. So now we have 135 operators in the United States and around the globe in multiple stage of life cycle implementation of that APIs. So while doing so, we start building the ecosystems. The ecosystem of service providers, technology vendors, as well as the enterprises together to build the ecosystem to deliver those APIs. And that, we believe, is the last missing piece for the NaaS. So including services, including automation, including ecosystems, and across them all has a certification around it. That's actually the NaaS. So what is a NaaS? NaaS is actually a combination of on-demand connectivity and application assurance and multi-cloud services and cybersecurity all together deliver over a global network.
All right. Well, thank you for joining me on this quick walk.
Absolutely.
It looks like there's going to be a lot of exciting stuff ahead for MEF and NaaS.
Absolutely.
All right.
We're glad to do it. We do it together.
All right. Thank you very much.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.